what's up? Welcome back to another video on Viewing to Huck's World, and happy weekend to everybody. Hope you guys are going to have fun, enjoy family and friends. But listen up, people, I got a nice casual dress down watch face. I don't know what you're going to be doing for the day, but we're going to make sure that you're taken care of. Now, if you're going to be dressing down, you're going to be out exercising, this is definitely the watch face you want to have on your wrist, especially considering that the watch face is free. This one gets my stamp of approval, worthy of a download, I got to tell you. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Garrett's 3 and the Garrett's 2. But once the watch face is on, you got a nice black background that brings everything to the forefront. You're going to get your exercising information up top. You're going to get miles walked or ran to the left. You're going to get your battery info at the top. And you're going to also get your steps over to the right. Now, I like the V formation they got going on to separate all the information. That looks nice. Now, you come down, you are going to get your seconds. You're going to get your digital time, which is bold and legible. And it's going to be in 12 and 24 hours, so you don't have to worry about that. You're going to get your date down at the bottom, which is a good look, the way it's lined up. And down up under that, you're going to get your heart rate information. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if I tap on Friday, I can get my weather. You're going to get everything you could possibly want or need within this watch face. And this is why it gets my stamp of approval, because it pretty much has everything. Come on. There we go. And then here, you're going to get your step information. So I'm liking this watch face. I like what the developer brought to the table, and the developer always gets down. But if we double tap, we can go ahead and pull up our music. That's a single tap. Let me tap right here. If I double tap, I could change the color theme of the index, which is nice. You get your heart rate information as well. So I thought this was definitely a good look. You get a couple of colors in all, not many, but enough. This is my favorite right here. But at the end of the day, people, tell me, what do you think of this watch face? Is it a download, or are you going to leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, go ahead, continue to enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't leave before you hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. We got more freebies coming your way. With that being said, people, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care, have fun, and I'll see you at the next one.